Should you keep your rental in retirement? Do you really want to be a landlord? Today, we're diving into whether you should keep or sell your rental property when you retire. Come along with me as we break down the pros and the cons of each of these options to help you to decide what is best for you. Let's dive in. As you approach retirement, managing a rental property can be both a blessing and a burden. Whether to keep it as an income source or sell it for a lump sum can have significant impact on your retirement strategy. Let's start with the pros of keeping your rental property. Number 1, there's steady income. Owning a rental can provide a consistent cash flow that can be a supplement to your overall retirement savings. This steady income can help cover living expenses and add financial stability. Number 2, consider property appreciation. Real estate generally appreciates over time. By keeping your property, you're potentially allowing its value to increase, which could be beneficial if you decide to sell it at a later time or pass it on to your beneficiaries. Number 3, don't forget about the tax benefits. Rental properties come with deductions such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These can help reduce your taxable income and save you money. Now, let's weigh out the cons of keeping your rental property. Number 1, there's property management. Whether you're doing it yourself or have a property manager, there's managing tenants, there's handling maintenance, and dealing with vacancies that come up from time to time. This can be consuming and stressful, especially as you're getting older. Most people like to simplify their lives. Number 2, there's financial risk. Real estate markets can be very unpredictable. Economic downturns or changes in the local market could impact your rental income and the property value. But on the flip side, let's explore the pros of selling your rental property. Number 1, there's immediate cash. Selling your property can provide a lump sum of money that you can use to bolster your overall retirement savings and make other investments. Number 2, simplification. Selling the property means you're free from the responsibilities of the property management, the maintenance issue, and the tenant concerns. This can make retirement more relaxing and less stressful, more time to enjoy the vacations and fun with family. However, there are cons to selling as well. Number 1, you might face capital gains taxes. Depending on how long you've owned the property and how the market conditions are, selling could result in a significant tax bill. And number 2, by selling, you're giving up the potential future income and appreciation. If the property values continue to rise, you could miss out on additional gains that you may have enjoyed by keeping the property. So whether you're going to keep or sell your rental property depends on a number of things, like your personal situation, your financial goals, and the lifestyle preferences that you're wanting to have. If you're up for the management and enjoy steady income, keeping it might be the way to go. But if you prefer to simplify and have the immediate cash, then selling may be a better choice. So if you enjoyed content like this or want to talk further if it makes sense to keep your property or sell your property, give our office a call. I'm more than happy to talk it out, but be sure to leave a comment below. We read them all and respond, so we'll catch you on the next one.